I'm here with Virginia. Hi, thank you for talking to us. Can you tell us a little bit about your company and the products and services you provide?
Okay, Mecmesin Group is a British company, and we have 4 offices around the world. Our business is mainly in force and torque, and we are measuring we're doing physical tests on any samples for packaging. Any samples in packaging for cosmetic, pharmaceutical, beverages, plastics, anything that will need to be measured in force or in torque.
Okay. And can you explain to us what you have here?
Certainly. Well, we've got our brand new products which are following the new technology based on a touch screen. So here you've got the Vortex XT, which is mainly used in a torque measurement. So we are measuring a rotational force. Here we've got a simple mineral bottle, and we are here trying to find out the force to break the ring, from the cap. So if the ring or the cap is weak during transportation, there could be a safety problem, and also for when it arrives at the distributor, there could be some failure. And it is extremely important for the safety and for the properties of the cap.
Okay. And what other machines do you provide?
We also provide behind you a machine which is basically a compression or a tension test.
Right, okay, I see.
So the machine is a standard system. The things that we do change is the accessories. On this machine you have a top load tester. So basically we try to reproduce the stacking method onto bottles. PET is very expensive. So any productions that is made of PET is basically the manufacturers want to reduce the raw material, but keep the strength of the bottle. And this top load test will give the manufacturers a possibility to reduce the raw material, keep the strength of the bottle, and therefore still put on the shelf a good looking, a good image of their product.
Okay, and you provide your services just for bottles or other packaging?
No.
What sort of packaging?
It's everything. So pouches, it could be pumps, it could be anything that you as a consumer needs to open, close, break, tear, anything that needs for you to access the food product, the cosmetic, the pharmaceutical. So we try to reproduce what a human person would do to open or close.
Okay, I see. And have you been having a lot of interest so far at the exhibition?
Extremely. I mean, especially from Thailand, and we also do have lots of customers coming from South Pacific. Extremely, yes. And because we do have a very strong image within the packaging area around the world. We've done Interpack, we're doing ProPak here in Thailand, and we go to Indonesia, Vietnam, and via distributors. Our machines are basically very well known around the world, and customers trust the new technology and the solution provider from Mecmesin.
Okay, and how has business been over the last 6 months or so?
Right. Well, it's been last year. There was a bit of a slowdown. With everything going around on the economy, but for the last 6 months, business has been booming, and since we're launching new products, people are very, very attracted by the touch screen. It's very easy to use, very accessible by anybody who may speak English or don't speak English. We try to provide on our machines a translation of all our softwares, but still some people, some companies, especially multinationals, like to keep an easy access on softwares and keep the same language. So therefore, business has been very booming, especially because we are launching products, but also because there is a sudden strength on investment within this packaging world.
Okay, and are you working on any other products at the moment, any new products that you're planning on launching sometime soon?
Yes, we are constantly, we have to create machines before the requirement of the customers. Now, it's very difficult with packaging, because packaging, every minute, there is a new idea from packaging designers or engineers, and so it's very difficult to keep on with their ideas. But we do try to provide solutions, and therefore, we sit down with every new designers or R&D or quality departments. We sit down, we try to develop and explain how things can be done. And after that, we go back to the company and we design. So we mainly design the fixtures. The machine stays almost the same, although we carry on and we keep up with the technology. But it's really the fixtures that is really important.
Okay, and how is Thailand as a market for you?
Thailand as a market for us is a great market in Asia for us, because the Thai market is been constantly developing. We've been in Thailand for 5 years now, and every day we've got new inquiries that maybe we haven't done somewhere else. And for us it's a great opportunity, because we know that every day we've got a new challenge. And this is part of our company. You know, we want to provide solution, we want challenge, and we want to carry on every day. So Thailand is the perfect market for us.
Are there any other countries that you are seeing a lot of growth in?
Oh, definitely. I'm going to speak mainly about Asia, Indonesia, Vietnam, and we're starting to have a lot of inquiries from Myanmar, from Laos as well, and those countries, and the Philippines obviously, and those countries are certainly coming over to us and asking us, can we provide a good system depending on their budget. We also provide system that fits to customers' budgets. So customers can have the technology, but we try to match the technology, the functions, and the budget.
Where will you be focusing your marketing over the next couple of years?
Asia. There's no doubt about this. Asia is the market. We've developed 2 offices for the past 5 years, one in Bangkok and one in Shanghai. Those two offices have been very, very busy. And definitely, we've employed a marketing person specifically for Asia to provide support for our customers, but also for our distributors, and bring all the image, develop all the image for the Asian market.
So Europe and the US is a lot slower right now, and it's Asia that's you're seeing the most growth?
No, I don't say that. In the US it's a different market. USA is also very booming. The US market is a different trade. For example, here in Asia, we do go over to the customer, sit down, spend a lot of time. In USA, some customers just buy the machine on the internet via a credit card, and here in Asia, this is something that is yet to be developed, because customers want to have us speak to us, talk to us, and develop. So it's a different way of trading, and it's a different way of support. The USA customers sometimes say, no, it's okay, it's fine, I just want to buy the machine.
So do you provide, you can obviously sell them the machines, do you also just provide a service, a testing service?
Absolutely. You know, there is something that with many companies, we always say provide solutions. And providing a solution is not only providing a machine, it's providing the support, it's providing a relationship with the customer, it's providing a service. You know, sometimes it needs to be calibrated, actually once a year. Once a year the machine needs to be calibrated. But sometimes the customer wants new design. Sometimes the customer needs to have his machine repaired. Some of our machines have been on the market for 20 years.
20 years.
Yes. So it's a very strong product, and it's obviously some product that requires a bit of maintenance and definitely a calibration.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for talking to us. Very interesting.